Good morning, friends. I'm Yashodai from First Step Institute, a gateway to unleash the potential within yourself. Today, we are going to see about one work from home option that has worked for 6,000 ladies in India. And we are going to talk with a person who have earned more than 90,000 by just being in the system for 4 to 5 months. Okay, I am very happy and proud to introduce Ms. Rohini Natrajan. She was my colleague in Accenture for 2.5 years, and I'm very happy and proud that both of us started this journey together, and we are exploring various things. So this is Rohini for you. Hi,
Hello,
Rohini.
hello, Aishwarya. Thank you for this introduction.
Yeah,
Nice
it's
to
my
talk to
pleasure.
you.
So how are you, Rohini?
Yeah, doing good, going great. How are you?
Great, great. I'm also doing good. So I heard that you are very busy recently.
True, yes.
True, yes. What are you doing, Rohini? Can you just tell about your journey? I mean, why you chose what you're doing now in terms of White Hat Junior and how you are managing things at home and work?
Right, that's right. So you know very well about me, right? Both of us were in the top of the career, right? So when we
Yes.
are at the peak of the career, we resigned the job just because of our kids, and I returned to my hometown. Currently, I'm in Madurai. So I started my own institute to train students in NEET. So that time I was in a financial trouble, and accidentally I was looking I was going through the Facebook, and accidentally I saw that one ad which was asking for online teachers, and they said minimal coding experience required. I'm a BCA graduate, but I was
Lovely.
completely out of that software field. I was completely
Mhm.
into networking, hardware and networking field, and I have 10 years of experience in IT only in networking field. So
Lovely.
anyway, but I wanted to give a try because of the financial crisis I had, and actually I went through three demo sessions and one telephonic interview, and I
Okay.
cleared all. What they are looking for is how we communicate.
Congrats for that, Rohini.
Thank you
Congrats for
so
that.
much. Thank you so
Yes.
much. Yeah. So how to talk with students, and whether we have good communication with rapport building capacity with the students,
Mhm.
and then how good we are in logical thinking. So this is
Okay.
what they tested, and they said my first month salary was going to be 10,000. I was thinking, because I myself have three teachers in my institute, and I'm
Mhm.
giving 10,000 to each person. So I
Okay.
thought like whether I have to go for this job. Then I said like, okay, anyway, after the management, I mean, I'm managing the institute. After that, I'm sitting idle only for some time at my desk.
Okay.
So why
Okay.
can't I use this productively? I decided to go for that. My family
Mhm.
also supported me. Initially, I started with
Lovely.
4 hours part-time job. In the evening, I started doing that.
Wonderful.
And all the trial classes were given to me. But you know, right? I joined by 31st Jan, and that one day I received 135 rupees. That was my first salary with White Hat. After receiving
Lovely.
lakhs in IT industry, my salary after a, a gap, it was 135 rupees. But I said like that definitely I'm going to do something in this platform. So February came, and I started getting a lot of paid students. I interacted with
Lovely.
students, really helped. Um, for them to convert
So
it.
probably they got impressed by the way you are interacting with the students, and then they gave you paid students.
They will give trial students every day,
Mm-hmm.
1 hour
Okay.
trial with every student. It's one-on-one session.
Okay.
1 hour you're going to teach some, you are going to take some demo class for the students. In
Lovely.
that demo student, if you're able to impress the student, the
Mm-hmm.
sales team will give you a call. You are a teacher, so there's no
Okay.
nothing about at your part to do sales. So sales
Mm-hmm.
team will give the call to them, and that student will get converted, and that student will be assigned
Lovely.
to you, and they will come with
Mm-hmm.
some packages like 144 classes and all. So
Okay.
at that time, you will be paid more for 1 hour session.
Lovely. Okay.
So this
So
is what.
only when you convert from demo students to paid students, your salary increases.
That's true. And
Okay.
trust me, White Hat Reach is really huge. It,
Mm-hmm.
it will magically happen to you. All the teachers who join even 1 or 2 months tenure in this platform, they are having
Okay.
20 students. So it
Wow.
will happen magically.
Great. Great. Like as we know that even White Hat is expanding its base across the world. They as they are gaining more number of students, even the requirement for teachers is increasing, right? So
Yes,
do you have any statistics on that, and how a recent partnership happened with one of the biggest company in India for White Hat? Can you tell more about that?
yes. We started with actually in 2018 only White Hat Junior started, and it was the founder is Mr. Karan Bajaj, who is ex-CEO of former CEO of Discovery Networks.
Mhm.
So they started with a few teachers, 12 employees in 2018, and
Okay,
when I joined 31st Jan 2020, we were 1,000 teachers. Now we are
okay,
6,000 teachers. Just think,
lovely.
only the
Yes, in
four
the
to five
span
years.
of 5
Yes,
months.
yes. The whole
Wow,
world was affected by Corona lockdown, where White Hat used that opportunity to reach more and more students during this lockdown period.
lovely, lovely.
Yeah. So that's the one thing, and by seeing this tremendous growth in this
Mm-hmm.
education field, it's a startup, right? So by looking into this, like Byju's and some other big startups, they offered to buy White Hat. They offered. Finally, Byju's won the bid, I believe. So now
Okay,
it has been merged into Byju's, and that's actually a
okay.
good news to teachers. Now we got hike, and we have different career levels also. I entered as a teacher. Now I'm a teacher mentor where I'm teaching students as well as training new teachers, and I'm getting paid
Oh,
for that additionally. Now in two
lovely.
months, I would be promoted as a teacher director where I would be paid around like 20 to 25,000 extra for that.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
lovely.
yeah. So that title, no, you are if you work as an IT employee, you would enjoy all the benefit, insurance coverage, PF money, promotion. Yeah, you all
Yeah,
the
yeah, yeah. I
certifications.
mean that there's a certain path, career growth, wherein you can develop yourself, keep on jumping from one to other. That's
Yeah,
really lovely and amazing to hear that.
act as a reinforcement for any employee. It should not be a monotonous job. You're going,
Hmm.
you're getting something, you're coming back. So even
Okay,
as a techie, you will think like, okay, I worked in an IT industry. Now I'm just working for the sake of money. No, they won't give you that feel to you. It's
that
completely a
okay.
professional team. And I received two certifications here in software field, and I really feel good. After 2006, again I'm into software, getting all the certifications, and they will
Lovely,
be like
lovely, Rohini.
R&R is there. Now they have introduced life insurance package of 3 lakhs to the family.
Oh
Family.
wow. So really, all the perks around this teaching is literally growing like anything, and I'm sure even you are enjoying White Hat Junior, and people like you who have trusted this startup and joined are really enjoying the benefits now. So, how strongly do you recommend this to others?
100% I recommend White Hat to the ladies who are determined, who are really looking for some financial independence, and
Mhm.
who are techies and who are former IT employees. Even I have my teacher trainees who are freshers,
Okay.
and they are in the process of doing after the completion of BTech. Now they are looking for the MTech courses. But
Mhm.
while doing this, they wanted to achieve financial independence, and then they are here working as teachers, and they are
Lovely.
competing with me very well. In 2 months, they gained 20-25 students. So no, even
Wow.
it's a good news.
That's really an awesome news, because I mean thanks for putting up this, Rohini, because students are not able to get job due to this COVID. I mean, though they have finished their degree, they are like jobless, and even if they had been placed in their placement before itself, companies are not calling them now. So at that point of time, this is really a great boon or varaprasadam solla, right?
Sure, sure. You can call that. Ladies, seriously, like if you compare that IIT freshers and IIM freshers, what we are earning is very high. Our CEO actually gave this picture during the town hall meeting. So once in a month,
Okay.
everyone will gather, and we will discuss the growth and everything. So that time he put this picture. You are earning more than IIM and IIT freshers. So we are
Wow.
honored every time.
Really, that feels so nice to know that there's a great amount of transparency in the system as well. So, thank you very much, Rohini, for taking this time and being here for spreading this awareness among lots of youngsters. So, we'll meet in another show with you with more advancement. Thank you very much for giving your time. Until then, it's bye from me, Yashodai, and Rohini.
Thank you so much, Yesho, for this opportunity. Bye bye.
Bye
Take care.
bye.